Well, so I better go and speak now.
That's Bob. I thought I'll take the opportunity to talk a bit about Techcelerate. For the last 3 years, we operated as Northern Startup 2.0. In November 2006, we had an event in Manchester. The idea was that I was running my first startup and I didn't know anybody else crazy enough to start a technology business. So I was desperate to meet like-minded individuals. So KPMG came on board, helped us with the first 2 years. We had an event, the first event we had TechCrunch and a few other Southerners and Southern businesses came over to help us. So we operated last 3 years trying to build some sort of an ecosystem for tech entrepreneurs and early stage technology companies. So the results were, last year we ran 11 events, including one event in London, which got a lot of publicity on Telegraph. But things has to change to keep Northern Startup to a sustainable. So the ideas, there were a couple of ideas came forward. One was that I also got an early stage technology company called eDocker, and we were looking at my own business, and we could see that most of our customers are technology companies. So it makes sense for early stage technology companies to work with more established technology companies, either to seek out customer type relationships or partnerships, etc. And also that the current economy will eventually recover, and there will be more opportunities for partnerships and acquisitions, and we want to be part of that conversation. So we felt it was time to rebrand. The rebranding was done completely through Twitter. The Techcelerate, the name itself originated from Katrina at the back, started as Techcelerate. Then somebody else shortened it, Tim Dempsey, to Techcelerate with double L. Then finally somebody else made the correct name. Logo came from Ed French, venture capitalist, through through Twitter, paid 50 quid and got it refined, and that's how Techcelerate logo was created. So that again demonstrates that using social media you can actually do things with a lot more participants at a very low cost. So the rebranding is we're going to basically focus on any size of technology companies, from idea stage, listing ID, who's supposed to be here but not yet, alright, and all the way up to Microsoft, Google. The focus will remain the same though. It's about access to capital, either at the bottom end of the market or the top end, and also marketing, promotion, route to market, etc. And thirdly, on knowledge share, we entertain a lot of successful entrepreneurs, and even if you look at today, it's about knowledge share. Of course, Jeff will tell us great things about Amazon, and hopefully we can feed him about some information about how we're using it, how we perceive Amazon, what his product is perceived by the market. The rebranding will focus on two strands. The first strand is early stage technology businesses. So we'll continue to run Dragon's Lair type events, access to finance. We'll explore early customer opportunities for our members and also partnerships. If you look at eDocker from as an early stage business, we are establishing a partnership with Salesforce.com simply due to Techcelerate events. For established companies, we see a number of companies approaching us. They have no footprint in the Northwest. They don't know how to break into the marketplace, so we can explore ways to help them achieve their ambitions. Again, we had an event a couple of weeks ago where a successful mobile technology company was talking about their acquisitions across the globe, and they were interested in ideas as well as fully formed companies. So we can explore that sort of opportunities with local companies as well as companies from outside. thirdly, again, with large companies, it's about partnerships, building partnerships, just like what Trello was talking about, Cisco, for example. Going forward, this Techcelerate is going to be very much membership based, but we'll have a number of events open to non-members. We are in the process of setting up a number of focus groups, looking to launch an investor club later this month, and also a number of technology focus groups. So hopefully we'll continue to grow and increase the membership. But at the moment, if you look at the online website, we have about over nearly 1,700 profiles there. The profiles are there because they are either running a tech company or somehow connected with a tech company, either providing a service or investment. So that will continue to grow. So make use of it, because we have private messaging and other services available. So, and most of the people have telephone numbers and email addresses. So it's becoming a place to find out like-minded individuals. So without taking any more time, let me hand over to Jeff.
Set up and get ready.